Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Boulders. Why choose one color when trying to transform a room? Why not go for an extra color and make a feature wall out of it? We've chosen this bright blue color to complement this room, and you can do the same at home when trying to transform that room from a dull, boring look to something more exciting. Let me show you how. The products you'll need to complete this task are the Fired Earth Whispers, which is a low sheen washable pure acrylic for interior and exterior use. The color we're using is Umbra. You'll also need Fired Earth Walls and Wood. This is our feature wall color, which is Blue Haven. You'll also need plaster and crack filler, a scraper, sandpaper and a sanding block, good quality rollers and a painter's tray, a ladder, a cutting brush and a painter's bucket, gloves and a drop sheet. Start off by removing all fixtures on the wall, including screws and nails. The key to a beautifully painted room is to make sure that your preparation is done properly from the start. Make sure you fill in any holes or indentations of the wall using your scraper and your crack filler, sand that down, and later on it'll be a breeze when painting the walls. Make sure that you shake your paint up well or stir through with a paint paddle. Carefully pour your paint into the painter's tray and remember to use your drop sheet. With your gloves on, now you can begin painting. Put a generous amount of paint on the roller. Add this to the wall, making sure that you don't drip too much. Continue painting and evening out your coat. Now it's time to start with the second color. Make sure that you use a different roller and painter's tray. As with the first color, apply the paint nice and thick and then thin it out evenly. So why stick to all those traditional and boring colors? Brighten up your life with Fired Earth. They've got some great colors in their range. This is Blue Haven, this is Umbra. All the products we use in this insert are available online or in store. So why don't get down to them as soon as possible? Well, for more inserts like this, all you need to do is click on our blog on our website on www.boulders.co.za. Get to Boulders